Hi, I'm John Vecchio, Campus Director and CEO here at Arlington Career Institute, and I'm here today with Christy Leader, California and Texas CSR and ACI court reporting instructor. And Christy's going to show us how to set up your Steno machine today. So, Christy, take it away.
This is your tripod, and this is the thumb. This little screw is called a thumbnail. That's part of the tripod. Tripod has 3 legs, okay? And the thumbnail, and then it's got the long extender portion. And when you set up your Steno machine, you're going to open up your tripod, and you're going to make sure you click the legs. If you don't click the legs, then the machine will fall over. It's not stable. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set that down on the ground, and then we have our Steno machine. Okay, in the back, you'll see that it's like a little keyhole, and then right here is the key portion on the tripod. So you just fit that in just like you would normally, and then you're going to twist, and you're going to wait till you hear a click. You hear the click? That means that your machine is on top of the tripod, stable with stability. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the machine here. When you want to adjust the height of the machine, you're going to turn that thumbnail, and you're going to put it to your desired height, and then you're going to tighten that screw right back up again. Okay? So here's our Steno machine. There we go. And then we're going to, if you need to hook up the power cord, here's the power cord. There's a little jack in the back. You can do that. And that's what helps to keep your machine charged. Okay? Whenever your battery gets low, that's what we're going to do to charge that up. Also, we have our cable. This is our USB cable. We have a little end here, and then the larger USB end. So you're going to put this little small connector into the back where it says USB. And then you take the other part and you're going to put it to your computer. I have my computer here, but you may not be able to see it, and you just plug that right on in. So now you're set up that way to write from your machine into your computer. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we are going to make sure we're sitting with good posture. You want your shoulders relaxed, okay? And you want your machine, the bottom of your machine, to be about 2 or 3 inches or 2 or 3 finger lengths from your knee, from the top of your knee. When you're writing, you need to make sure your wrist is straight, okay? We don't need to be writing like this or like this. That can cause injury. So I want to make sure we keep it straight. Now, when your hands are on the machine, your fingers are going to be slightly curled, and they're going to be in home position. There's a line that runs all the way across the keys on the top, and you put your fingers in that little space, and you can see my wrists are straight, and my keys are rounded on there. And then the thumbs in home position resting are going to rest across, diagonal across the 2 bottom keys. There's 4 keys on the bottom. 2 keys get 1 thumb, 2 keys get the other thumb, and then you put and so when you're sitting at your machine, you should be at a very relaxed but responsible position so you can prevent injury. Okay, now we're going to go about how to close the machine down. Take it apart just like we set it up. So of course we're going to unplug all of our cords. Here's our power cord, our USB cord. We'll take those off. We're going to put the screen down, so we lifted it up before, and then we're going to turn back around. Now there's a release, a silver release button you can see right there, and what we're going to do is we're going to take that lever, and then we're going to twist the top of the machine back off. Okay, hold on to your machine real good and tight so it doesn't fall on the ground and you don't lose hold of it. And you put that there, and then we just back everything else down. So here's the tripod. We're going to put the extender down, tighten up the thumbnail, and then we're going to close up the tripod by loosening up the releases and closing that right back in. And that's how you do it.